Good morning, children. Today, the whole nation is celebrating Independence Day. We feel proud to be an Indian. India is a country which perfectly demonstrates unity in diversity. People of diverse religions, cultures, and castes have been living together for many centuries. So, today, on this special day, I would like to share some information with you. Independence Day is annually celebrated on 15th August, commemorating the nation's independence from the United Kingdom on 15th August 1947. हमें आज़ादी मिली थी 15th August 1947 को. Independence Day is observed throughout India with celebrations that include flag hosting ceremonies. Different cultural events are organized that includes singing and dancing. We sing different patriotic songs, Vande Mataram. We also sing our national anthems. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. The freedom fighters of India played an extensive role in getting independence for the country. The revolt of 1857 was the first war of independence of India. Let's have a look how the freedom struggle started. Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, was an Indian queen of Maratha state of Jhansi in North India. Her full name was Manikarnika Tambe. Bhagat Singh was the most influential freedom fighter in the Indian independence movement. He was hanged to death on 23rd March 1931. Chandrasekhar Azad was an Indian revolutionary well known for organizing the Hindustan Republican Association. He shot himself to death, not wanting to be captured alive. He died in 1931. Subhash Chandra Bose is famous all over India as Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose founded Indian National Army. His famous quote was, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." And then came the great leader Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great patriotic Indian. Gandhiji believed in non-violence. He started Dandi March against the Salt Law. He is also known as Father of Nation. The result of the fight of the freedom fighters resulted into independence, and on 15th August, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the Lahori Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi. A tricolour flag with a horizontal tri-band. Saffron symbolizes strength and courage, white, peace and truth, green, fertility and growth. The proportion of the flag is 2:3. And it is the law that it should always be made with khadi cloth. So now children, are you ready to solve a small quiz? So on this special day, Police DAV brings you a small quiz on Independence Day. Watch the video carefully and then solve the Google form.